Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove a Google account and add another one. So let's start. First, open settings on your device. Scroll down and tap on Accounts and Backup and go to Accounts. Now tap on the Gmail ID you want to remove and tap Remove Account and tap Remove Account again for confirmation and your Google account will be removed. Now scroll down and tap on Add Account. And tap on Gmail Personal. Now enter your email ID. And tap Next. Now tap Next again. Then enter your password. And then tap Next. Now tap I agree. And that's how you can remove one Google account and add another one. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.